Yo, what's up guys, Zach Attack here with another video, and today I'm with my cat, Cassie. Yep, the kitty cat, Cassie. Remy is on the porch right now, because any single time I'm with her, he gets jealous, so. Yep. This is Cassie, the cute little kid cat. Yeah, I just wanted to show you guys who Cassie was, because my last video, cat versus dog, she was in it. She did lose, but she's still cute. So, yeah. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was a really short one. I just wanted to introduce my cat. And hopefully you guys enjoy this one. Say bye, Cassie. Say bye. Okay, bye guys.